Okay, so basic color mixing, you really only need 3 colors: yellow, red, and blue. There are a bunch of different yellows, reds, and blues. So, that's something that you kind of want to just experiment with and see what your favorite yellow, red, and blues are, but you're gonna get basically kind of the same like colors out of all of them. I'm just gonna use this Hansa yellow, and what do I want to use? I'll use this cadmium red light. I don't really have any method in why I'm picking these, but I'm just going for it. And this ultramarine blue. Those are the ones I'm going to show today. Also, for acrylic and oil, you want to have on hand a white paint color, and you don't have to have black, because technically you can create black from all of your colors. Kind of, you can get a type of black, but I love working with black because mixing black with this yellow creates a really amazing olive green. You can just get a lot from black. So I recommend, when you're first starting off, if you don't want to spend much money, get a basics kit where they'll give you like pretty much the primary colors and then black and white, and you're good to go, at least at the beginning. So I'm going to show you how to mix some basic colors from these 5 paints right here. So the paints that I'm using today are made by Golden. I'm using their regular heavy body acrylic paints and also their slow drying acrylic paints, which is called Open. These are really, really nice paints. These are definitely artist grade paints, but you can use any paints you want. There are excellent options out there, and kind of the way that they're ranked or they're rated is student grade, which is going to be a little bit on the less expensive side, but still great quality paint, or artist grade, which is going to be a little bit more fine and nicer paints, and they're going to be more expensive. It doesn't really matter. There's options for everybody. I do a mix of all kinds of paints. Like if you've taken my classes before, you've seen that I love these Blick matte acrylic paints. They are already mixed into really pretty colors, but these are more like student / craft grade paints, but they're still really good quality. But I just want to let you know there are all kinds of range in terms of how expensive paint is, and whatever. You can spend a little or you can spend a lot, but these are what I'm using today. All right, I'm going to start mixing some colors. All right, so first we're going to start with this yellow. I'm going to get these 3 on here so we can see how they grow. Like we're going to kind of branch them off of each other, and that is the cadmium red light, and the ultramarine blue. Whenever I see primary colors, I'm kind of put off by them just because they're just straight from the tube, and I'm like, ugh, those need to be mixed. Let's get some different shades. So something I want to encourage you is try not to paint directly from the tube. Like there are instances where maybe you need like a really, really bright red to highlight something in a flower or something where you do need it straight from the tube. But for the most part, try not to paint straight from the tube, because it's gonna look very just bright, and I don't know. If you like that, that's great, but I want to encourage you to practice mixing your own colors. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to show what happens when you mix all of these together. So orange, or red and yellow, we are going to get an orange, a really nice orange. So these two together create this nice orange. And then red and blue, they create purple. I love purple. I paint with purple a lot. It's just, for some reason, whenever I've been a painter, I use yellow and purple a lot. Okay, so the way that this purple is gonna work is you're gonna get different types of purple. So like this is a more, like a dark kind of violet purple. But you could also add a little bit more red to it.